To our ever supportive Dean, Dr. Julieta B. Bores, Alurin. To one of my favorite mentors, our college student coordinator, Dr. Evelyn C. Olikino. To our department head slash mentor slash mother for this afternoon, Dr. AJ Nepomuceno. To my USC advisors, Professor Adrian Aguilar and Sharon Casey Hulaton. To our distinguished guests, professors, caliber, classmates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I can still remember the time when I was with my cousin, friend, classmate, Marian Leto Cromas, there on a big rock near the BU Grandstand during the Pep Squad competition, BU Week 2010, after we energetically danced for Hataw. I'm still there because I'm doing my task as a writer of Unibe. Then may na-observe ako. There are students going back and forth from a certain office near the old OSS at the BU Grandstand. They are so busy organizing and preparing that they are like ants and bees. I told Marian, Yan, I think I can be the USC chair. Naramdaman ko yun nung first year ako, nagpiniling na ako noon. Someday, I know that I will be. She smiled and told me that she knows and trusts that I can be what I want to be. Then the rest was history. Indeed, that was just a statement, but it became a motivation for me to serve, lead, and show my capabilities as a servant leader. Admittedly, isa ako sa mga estudyanteng napaka-active way back in high school at Marshall Aranyola Memorial School. At first, I hesitated to be active in CAL, but really, if a certain thing is for you, God will give it for you. I was one of those typical freshmen before. I've been part of YLO, Damayan, NSTP Pals, even teatro as artistiko as a dancer, and I've even auditioned for Bongkul. I tried all of it and I tell you, it was all worth it. Because if you will not try and experience those things that you think you can just do, a lot of things will be compensated. A lot of things will be wasted. Naalala ko nung in-interview ako sa Ayala, sino raw ba yung idol ko? Actually, at that time, wala akong maisip kung sino ang sasabihin ko. Then I said, Troy Bolton. Sabi ko, Troy Bolton of High School Musical. Nabigla sila. I'm an avid fan of High School Musical kasi. Troy Bolton is the character played by Zac Efron. He wants to play basketball, but he also wants theater. At the end of the story, he got the best of both worlds. Indeed, sometimes, hindi lahat ng gusto mo, makukuha mo. Quoted from Ian Carla Bialago. But, if you will exert an effort and right amount of focus and faith to God, everything will be possible. Again, quoted from Ian Carla Bialago. At this juncture, I would like to congratulate all of the graduating students of Batch 2013. Indeed, mga ate at kuya, natapos niyo ang mission niyo sa CAL. Best of luck to all of you. You deserve a round of applause. To us Calibers, we must continue the legacy that our ates and kuyas left. Let's prove that we can be the high caliber students that we promised to our parents, to BU community, and to the country as a whole. To my family, I know we are all preoccupied at this moment, but I always appreciate the support you always give to me, emotionally, mentally, and most of all, financially. To my best friend Neri Shapno, thank you for being there. To Kian, Dory, Pam, and Tesla, there has never been false moments with you. You've always been my true friends. To Julia, Arian, Albert, Raisa, Ket, Shine, Carlo, Danica, and Tela, thank you for the support. To Yaa Group, it's here. It's always been here. To the BUSC officers and JCs, we can do a lot because we are one. To Pujong and Unibe, the first two families that I used to have, thank you very much. To Journey A, we can do exemplary things, and amidst the shadows, I know that we all love each other. To Journey B, I'm still your block governor that you've all met, and it still be that Journey B that you've supported for all my endeavors, from being the USC business manager to external vice chairperson, and now your USC chairperson and student regent. This is all for you. Indeed, I am a journalism student, worth of the trust for an office. Let's put away the dogma of sticking to the status quo. We are all living in a dynamic and free world, And there's nothing wrong to prove what a person wants and loves to do. Because no one shall permit people to dictate him or her to set parameters of what she or he will do as a journalism student. As long as that person loves what he is doing and it's for the benefit of many, I think nothing is wrong with that. The struggles for genuine leadership, service, character, and academics will not stop here. It must be continued by all of us, and we must prove that we are all outstandings in our own ways. Quoted from the adventures of Shark Boy and Lava Girl, dream for a better dream, and work to make it real. Thank you very much.
Again, congratulations, Maki.
Thank you very much, Maki, for the response.
We do learn something from Shark Boy and
Oh, hello.
I don't know that. Can you enlighten me with that?
Oh, I actually watched it in 3D.